Hello everybody! Today I will be showing you how I do my Papa Emeritus III makeup, my beloved. Starting out by putting on my one contact lens, terribly. I then prime my face with the e.l.f. Putty Primer. I personally swear by it. I then take a glue stick to kind of tame my eyebrows. I don't necessarily need to hide them, but I need them to be cooperative. Then I start outlining the white areas with a simple white eyeliner. This is the one from NYX. And with a large flat brush, I start painting in all the white areas with Mehron water-based white. And now with a black eyeliner, I just start tracing out all of the areas that are supposed to be filled in with black. And with the same water-based paint in black, I start filling in those areas. To darken up the eyes just a little bit more, I take a flat brush and some black eyeshadow and just start filling in my eyelids and above the eyelids under the brows.
Yes. Lovely. Oh, yes. Oh.
I've been eating my chips.
Are you eating your chips? Is all this going to be in the time lapse?
Yeah.
You gotta angry up those brows.
There we go. Okay, so I have to arch like this part.
That's what I'm
here.
thinking, because he always looks
the
like...
outer corner.
Yeah, he looks like a happy ghost right now.
I know. I was trying to figure out how to do it. Look at Jack Skellington.
She is!
And after sharpening my eyebrows just a little bit more, I then do my eyelashes. I use the same black eyeliner to line my lips and then fill them in with the black water-based paint. Then I put on some fake lashes. I then use the same white eyeliner as before and a little bit of the paint to fill in my bottom lip just a little bit more. And we are ready to worship Satan.